Hey there, Bootzone here. This is a Hotpoint Smart Tech washing machine. It's a WMFUG 942p UK model. I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filter today. Down on the bottom is this fat plastic fascia. Get a screwdriver or something and pop it off. There's 3 lugs on it on top, and then it should wiggle out. Just like that. Set it aside, give it a clean if you want. Down here's the filter. Do this inside. Put down a blanket or something like that. If you're doing it outside, it doesn't really matter. Now, it plugs quite tight, give it a squeeze. If you can't get a grip on it, get a wooden spoon or a piece of wood on each side and kind of grip them together with your hands. It'll help you to open it. I'm hoping for treasure today. What have we got? Didn't see anything come out there of value. Nothing, but it looks clean enough. Sometimes these are blocked with hair clips or other things like that. Let's screw it up tight. Job's a good one. Let's snap this back on. Just offer it up at the bottom. And snap it on the top. That's it. So that'll keep your Hotpoint going a bit longer if it wasn't draining out properly or that kind of thing, if it was stuck full of water. And bear in mind, it might have a lot more water in it than that, especially if it's stuck in the cycle full of water. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks, be appreciated. Subscribe if you would. See you next time. Thanks for watching. See you later.